Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best water hydrant is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, parts of our urban infrastructure, ensuring swift access to water during emergencies, especially for firefighters tackling blazes. This video will delve into the crucial role water hydrants play in our communities, exploring their functionality, maintenance, and the key factors to consider when assessing their effectiveness and safety, helping you understand what makes a truly superior water hydrant. Number 5. Merrill CNL 7502 Yard Hydrant. This frost-proof hydrant is built to last, ensuring reliable water access all year round. Its durable construction and convenient features make it perfect for any yard. It's made without lead, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Enjoy clean, safe water every time. It features a heavy cast iron head and a solid brass hose adapter for superior strength and longevity. You can depend on it for years to come. The stainless steel operating rod is ground and polished for smooth, effortless operation. It won't damage the packing and packing nut. It's designed for easy installation with a 3/4 pipe connection and a 2 bury depth. Get it set up quickly and easily. It includes a pivot connector and a double bypass valve body for added convenience and control. Manage your water flow with ease. What we like. This one boasts a robust build with heavy-duty materials. If you need a reliable hydrant that will withstand years of use, this is a great choice. Its durable construction ensures it'll be a fixture in your yard for years to come. What people say. I have just replaced a 28-year-old Merrill hydrant with the exact same one. The old one worked great for many years but was getting rusty and the linkage was getting sloppy. I would highly recommend this product. It only took a few years but I finally got this installed into my greenhouse. It seems to be made of heavy-duty construction and easy to use. The product is far superior to most in its class. Number 4. Ashland YHC-Blue Hydrant Repair Kit. This kit is designed for easy repair of your blue frost-proof yard hydrant. It comes with all the necessary parts for a quick and simple fix. No need to source parts separately. It includes everything you need for a complete repair, saving you time and effort. This kit is designed for simple installation. You'll have your hydrant working again in no time. It can be padlocked to prevent unauthorized use, ensuring the safety and security of your water supply. Remember, it's only compatible with blue frost-proof yard hydrants. Double-check before purchasing. Repair your hydrant quickly and easily with the Ashland YHC-Blue Repair Kit. Order yours today. What we like. Repairing it is a breeze with readily available parts. If you prioritize ease of maintenance and security, this is perfect for you. The simple design makes installation quick and easy, minimizing your effort. What people say. It was easy to install, and works fine. This was a great fix and easier than digging up the whole hydrant. The item worked great and is made of heavy gauge cast. Number 3. Merrill CNL 7504 Yard Hydrant. This frost-proof hydrant is built to last, ensuring reliable water access all year round. Its innovative design and durable materials make it the perfect choice for your yard. It features a smooth lever control that operates by a cam principle, providing variable water flow without a lock. This allows for precise water control, exactly as you need it. The stainless steel operating rod is ground and polished, preventing damage to the packing and packing nut. Unlike brass rods, it won't wear down over time. It's built with no-lead galvanized pipe or stainless steel pipe coated with asphalt paint. This prevents rusting at the valve body, extending its lifespan. The one-piece plunger with a double seal design ensures a positive shut-off, even with debris. It also positively opens the drain to prevent freezing. It features a heavy cast iron head, using the same time-proven design Merrill has used for over 65 years. This ensures years of reliable performance. What we like. It features a smooth lever control for precise water flow. If you value a superior, leak-free design, this hydrant is for you. The innovative design prevents rust and ensures a reliable shut-off, even with debris. What people say. Comes well packed. Superb quality. Easy to use. This replaces a 2-year-old leaking hydrant from a big box store, so it was a quick replacement. I needed a freeze-proof faucet at the barn that would last years. Past experience with this brand makes me hopeful it lasts. I believe I used a 3/4-inch threaded female adapter to PEX at the bottom. Put it about 1 foot or so deep. Filled the hole with gravel for the water to drain out and the rest above it with some concrete to keep it sturdy. Awesome product. Number 2. PROFLO XM7502 Hydrant. This frostproof yard hydrant is built to last. Its durable brass construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring years of reliable service. It's made of high-quality brass for superior durability and dependability, withstanding the elements and everyday use. The superior finish on it means you won't have to worry about rust or corrosion. It's designed to stand up to the toughest conditions. For added security, it can be padlocked to prevent unauthorized use, keeping your water supply safe and secure. It's designed to drain below the frost line when shut off, protecting it from freezing temperatures and damage. With a buried depth of just 2 feet, installation is quick and easy. Get it up and running in no time. What we like. It's made of durable brass for lasting performance. If you're looking for a hydrant that can withstand the elements and resist corrosion, this is an excellent option. The secure locking mechanism adds an extra layer of protection. What people say. The operation is very easy and very smooth. It works 100% as advertised with effective shutoff and variable flow. The item seems to be a good heavy-duty faucet and works great. 3/4-inch NPT brass fitting, from local hardware store, is needed to transition to whatever type of underground supply that you are using. Number 1. PROFLO XM7503 Hydrant. This frostproof yard hydrant is built to last. Its durable brass construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring years of reliable use. It's made of high-quality brass for exceptional durability and dependability. You can count on it to withstand the elements. The superior finish means it will resist rust and corrosion, even with everyday use. It's designed for long-lasting performance. For added security, it can be padlocked to prevent unauthorized access. This keeps your water supply safe. It's completely frostproof. When shut off, it drains below the frost line, protecting it from winter damage. With a buried depth of just 3 feet, installation is quick and straightforward. Get it set up in no time. What we like. This model is also constructed from durable brass, ensuring a long lifespan. If you need a deeper buried depth and the other features of this model, this is the one for you. Its robust construction and secure locking mechanism make it a reliable choice. What people say. Plumer installed in less than 1 hour, works great. I love having a full flow hydrant near my garden and another one where I can wash my car, and these work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.